In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog on Webflow. We'll walk through connecting a powerful app that can automatically create and publish SEO-optimized blog articles to your Webflow CMS. This approach is great if you want to jumpstart a blog without building everything from scratch. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Webflow and that you have permission to install apps on the site you're working on. Start by opening your Webflow site. Once you're in the site workspace, look for the Apps area. Use the search field there to find what you need. Type your query into the search bar, then look for the matching result that appears. When you see it, click the highlighted result to open more details. If you don't see the right match at first, refine your search term and try again until the listing you need shows up. From the results, select the listing titled Automatically Create and Publish SEO-Optimized Blog Articles to Your Webflow CMS with AI. This is the app we'll use to power the blog workflow. Click it to open the details page. Next, choose Open Full Listing to see everything in one place. This page is helpful for reviewing what the app does and, importantly, which permissions it requests. Take a moment to skim the description and check that the capabilities fit your needs, especially around CMS and asset access. When you're ready, click Install on site. If prompted, choose the specific Webflow site you want to connect. Selecting the correct site matters, because the app will publish content to that site's CMS. After selecting, proceed to the authorization screen. You'll see an option to authorize blog SEO. Click Authorize to allow the app to access the scopes it needs, such as reading and writing to your CMS and assets. These permissions let the app create and update blog posts, upload images, and structure content in your collections. If you're unsure about any permission, review the description on the page before continuing. Next, confirm any highlighted prompts to finalize the connection, and then click Authorize App to complete installation. That's it. The app is now installed and linked to your site. At this point, your Webflow site is ready to use the app to generate and publish blog articles directly into your CMS. As a best practice, start by creating a test article to confirm everything lands in the correct collection and that SEO fields like title, description, and slug look right. You can always adjust your CMS fields or